How to repost on threads. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to repost on threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, we need to head over to our threads app. If you don't have it yet, you can head over to your app store or play store and install it from in there, and then log in through your Instagram or through your email, whatever is fine for you. Then after you've done all the necessary steps, just head over to threads. As you can see, here is my thread. So if you want to repost, what you need to do is just head over to your home and then look for the post that you want to repost. So for example, for me, I want to repost this right here. So what I need to do is just click on this third button right here. So let me click on that. And in here you can see the repost button. So just click on repost. As you can see, it has been reposted. But if you want to quote it, then you can just click on the third button again, then click on the quote here, and from in there you can add in your quote on this. So if your example, you're typing in like this, just type in whatever you want and then click on post right here, and it will also be posted but with a comment from you. And then if you want to undo a repost, like for example we have reposted it earlier, then what you need to do is just click on the button here again, and then click on remove right here in order to remove the repost. So as you can see, it has been removed because the mark has been removed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to repost on threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.